So the next thing we're going to use is one of these, and this is a miter vise jig, and these are really, really good for helping us get the ends of our piece super straight. And we need them to be really straight so that when we turn our ring and bend it round, that the ends line up perfectly together. So I'm not going to use one of the new ones, I'm going to use one of our ones in the studio here. And what we're doing is we're going to just line it up against this little notch here. There's a small bit of metal that's crooked hanging out. And I'm going to file this with a number 2 file. And you can file backwards and forwards with these. You file right up against it. It doesn't matter if it scratches it, because the most important thing we're trying to do is just get that end nice and square. And then you take it out and you do the other end.